Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I've teamed up with Klaiyi Hair and they sent this beautiful wig over for me to share with you guys. Now what makes this so special is this is literally a wig on the top and it's a wig on the bottom. This one here is called a double wear flip and go wig, where literally you have a closure wig in the back, which we're gonna start off installing in this video. And then when you're done with that and you wanna have like your party fun wig, you can literally flip the wig to the opposite side and you have lace. This here is a 4x1 lace, which technically is the back of the wig. And then you also have the closure wig, which is the front of the wig. And look how gorgeous. So you literally will have your fun wig for day to day and then your party wig at night and on the weekends, and this is all one wig. So I'm gonna jump into the tutorial. You'll see me install the natural side first and then you'll see me flip it around and do this fun side on top as well. Also, I have all of the details on my wig, including a direct link down below, and without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Okay ladies, let's get right into it. So this one here is super innovative. This is the double wear flip and go blonde Yaki wig from Klaiyi Hair. She's in the length 22 inches, and get a load of the inside construction of the cap. You have lace on not just one side but both sides. So here I am just showing you the inside construction of the cap. On the sides you are met with two adjustable drawstrings and you have that removable and adjustable elastic band inside. This makes it so that no matter which side you wear the wig, it will fit your head like a glove. You can even adjust these drawstrings once the wig is on your head and simply tuck the rest inside the wig. So I'm going to start off with the natural side, and here you guys can see this one came as a curved side part, so I'm going to play up the curving for this video. You can also see what the hair looks like from the back. As far as the color combination, I love how it just looks like a naturally highlighted wig, like you got it professionally highlighted at the salon. I'm also showing you guys what it looks like to adjust that band on the side, and then I'm going to go ahead and style it up. So for this video, I had decided to style it this way on this particular day. And then on the next day, I decided to style it in the opposite way. And you'll see both ways in this video. So I'm just simply following my same, day-to-day install routine. We're going to start off with the dynamic duo up top. And then we can pull the lace back and proceed to bond the wig down. Now, because this one fits super glueless, you don't actually have to blow dry it or melt it down. I more so wanted the wig to look super melted and natural, so I went ahead and added a light layer of that extra hold hairspray, put the lace on top, and now we are going in to tint the lace, and then from there we're going to simply go in and add some baby hair. Now obviously the way you tint your lace is based on your own preference and complexion, and then also when it comes to adding the baby hair, this for sure is an option you can skip out on. This one for sure is absolutely not necessary at all. This one fits glueless and the lace melts easily, so if you just want a simple 5-minute install and go, you can definitely skip out on the baby hair. But you know me, I'm gonna do some baby hair, so I just added swoops on each side. Where I added them is simply where the lace will stop. Because this is a closure wig, you can't go any deeper than that, but it looks really good, and for me personally, I feel like it just makes it look a little bit more styled and just natural, if you will, although many of you will say that it looks more natural without the baby hair. So it's all about preference. I allowed the lace to melt down, and you guys can see that made a huge difference. Here I'm showing you guys what it would look like set as a center part, but I kept the side part they provided, melted it down really nicely using electric hot comb very generously. And here I am just adding some layers to the ends. Now because this one is two-sided, be careful with this step. You can definitely skip out. Also look at how beautifully this one curls. So I did some really nice curls and I really just added them to the ends and added some hairspray, and look at how beautiful that color combo is. Look at how soft the hair is and just how naturally those curls sit. Now this was a day later and I decided to flip the wig around, and literally that's all you do. We wore it on that bottom side the day before, and today I'm literally just flipping it to the opposite side. So because the wig essentially was worn upside down, you got to kind of brush it out to get it to its nice shape, and then you'll be good to go. Here I'm showing you guys from the back what the color combo looks like if you flip the wig over. I'm going to go in generously with some of my wax stick as well as some hairspray, and I just went in and did the dynamic duo generously. Again, because the wig was worn like flipped up or upside down, I did go in and just train the hair in the back to get flat again, and then I went ahead and added a little bit of lace tint, which of course I went with Ruby Kisses, and then of course I went in and added some baby hair to this side as well. Because this is a 2x1 closure wig, you don't have a lot of parting space, so if you want to shift the wig to be a side part, you literally would shift the entire wig sideways and it'll work out just fine. You just are limited to the fact that you won't be able to like do a side part with the lace, which again isn't a huge deal at all. I'm just making you aware of all of the ins and outs and everything I noticed when installing this wig. So here we are. I went ahead and made that baby hair, tinted the lace, and then I'm melting the lace with that Klaiyi melt belt. And in the meantime, I added a little bit of serum and we're going to go in and just press it out. Now I'm not gonna add any fun things to this side. I literally added the serum and then I silk pressed it and we will be good to go. I didn't want to add layers on this side too because then it's going to just be choppy all over. But you can see, although we did add layers to that opposite side, you can't even tell, or it doesn't look like anything is missing by any means. Again, take your time when it comes to silk pressing and laying your wig until you get your desired look. And this pretty much was the end result. So we got like daytime on one side and party on the opposite side.
Okay, ladies, so you're not seeing double. This one here is a 2-in-1 wig. I want to make sure I get this correct. This is called a double wear flip and go wig, which means it has 2 different lace areas. As you guys seen in the beginning of the video, we started off with the closure wig on the underside, which had more of the natural brown color on top, and it had these beautiful blonde highlights underneath. And then I was able to take the wig off, flip it around, and we have another lace wig on the underside. So now we have the opposite vibe. We have that nice honey blonde highlight on top with the nice brown undertones on the bottom. So it's like you can switch it out from day to night and literally have 2 different vibes in one wig. Now this here is also a lace. This is a 4x1, so you do get 4 inches of parting space going back and then 1 inch of parting space going across. So essentially on this side you only can have it as a center part, and then of course you can also like shift it if you want it to be like a side part. So that is really nice and you definitely get a lot of options. I love it both ways, but I really like it on this side. I love the way this blonde highlight looks against my skin tone. And again, this is just another way that Klaiyi Hair is being innovative and giving us a lot of bang for our buck. I like both sides. Let me know down in the comments which side you like the most. And now that we're done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the outro and show you guys what was included in my package. As I mentioned, this one did come from Klaiyi, and we have this classic green packaging that I love so much. Inside, we do get your Klaiyi dust bag, which has their logo, and then you have like their social media handles and like how to contact them. And then you have these little tassel drawstrings, so really nice. And then inside, we also did use the melt belt, which I have a ton of these, but at the moment I just like the way you guys are set up. I would have had to like move you guys to get in the drawer, and at the moment it just felt like a little bit too much. And inside we do get our HD wig caps as well as some really pretty press-on nails. So I'm already planning a family photo shoot for the holidays. I want to do an annual one, and these would be so gorgeous because they're so festive. I love these. So these are like birthday nails or like holiday nails for sure. Also, in my package we did get this little reusable pouch. I love these, and it's a zip pouch, but it's again reusable, so you can add this to like your toiletry bag or your car and put little different assorted things in there. For mine, they did include 2 of these clips, which is good to have these on the go as well. And then also they did get care package, and inside we did get some additional combs for the inside of the cap, as well as a bunch of pieces of that wig tape, so you'll be able to bind yours down need be. I'm headed to happy hour, so I will leave this one in the description box. Be sure to check her out. Of course, I have a direct link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.